Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Home app and sign into your Google account. Confirm the Wi-Fi network name and password so you are ready. Check whether your router broadcasts to 4 GHz or 5 GHz and prefer 4 GHz for better range. Bring your phone within 3 meters of the doorbell and ensure the doorbell has sufficient charge or is powered. Close other bandwidth-heavy apps to reduce interference and avoid setup timeouts. Press and hold the doorbell setup button for 10 seconds to enter pairing mode. Watch for the LED ring to flash, which confirms setup mode is active. Keep your phone's Bluetooth and location services turned on for the app to detect the device. If the doorbell is hardwired, cut power briefly and restore to trigger setup mode. Stay within 2 meters of the doorbell during the entire pairing process to avoid dropped connections. In the Google Home app, tap the doorbell, then Device Settings, then Wi-Fi, and choose Forget Network. Select Setup Device and follow the on-screen prompts to add the new Wi-Fi network. Use the camera QR or the audible pairing cues the app provides during setup. Enter the new Wi-Fi password carefully and confirm the correct 4 GHz network if prompted. Allow up to 5 minutes for the doorbell to update firmware and to reconnect fully to the cloud.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.